Hey folks, Joey Cannoli, aka Joey the Sheet Poster here, and yes, this is my real voice. I got a Blue Yeti mic for my birthday, and as you probably guessed by the title of this video, I'm gonna do a YouTube poop tutorial. Yay! Now I don't normally do YouTube poop tutorials, but one of my subscribers requested it, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to test out the mic, so let's dive right into it. So for this video, I'm gonna tell you guys about a pretty simple editing technique for YouTube poops. It probably has an actual name, but I just like to call it the Mad Scramble. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is, obviously, load up your editing software, whatever that may be, and import your media. Then once you get your media onto the video track, all you have to do is select whatever clip you want to apply the Mad Scramble to.
No! This is Patrick!
Now the basic idea of a Mad Scramble is to scramble your footage to make it look something like this. So how do you accomplish this? Well, first, you take the clip you want to scramble and cut it up into lots of little pieces, usually around 2 or maybe 3 frames each. And then, you just take all those little pieces and rearrange them into a completely random order, thereby effectively scrambling the clip. And there you go. There's your Mad Scramble. Pretty funny, right? It's a simple but great way to get extra laughs out of your YouTube poops. And if you want to get even more laughs, you can also use special effects in the video or the audio to distort the footage even more. And that's about it. This concludes my YouTube poop tutorial on the Mad Scramble. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more spicy sheet posts. Cannoli out.